PIA के जहाज में मेरे वतन की यादों में रहता हूँ। दिल की पहली उड़ान आसमां की बुलंदियों में मैं, पाकिस्तान का झंडा मेरे दिल में रहता है।
Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we'll be unboxing the PIA Boeing 777-300ER made by INFLIGHT200. Let's get into it. So this model was released by InFlight in 2017, I believe, and has all its main features as usual as a regular 200 scale model. Try to So with our main InFlight 200 model, we have our gears. All of these ones come in one bag. We have our landing gear down and then our landing gear up doors with 2 sticks and then 1 screwdriver for the stand. This stand isn't just one piece, we have to screw it in. So I'm not sure why that is, but usually I know other models such as the ones that I have in InFlight 200 and JC Wings are already built in. So here is our stand. It looks wooden, but it is actually metal. PIA logo, Boeing 777-300ER 1:200 scale, and then we'll have to fit in our stand here and then screw it in. And then we'll remove these, and then we'll try to take this out. Oh, very heavy. And here it is. Beautiful, shiny model. Alright, I'll try to get this box out of the way. We'll connect the stand and we'll see how it looks like with the gears on. So we have our 3 main landing gears. So we'll put on our first nose gear. These ones are magnetic, so they're easily able to fit in. So as you can see, we have the rotatable nose gear. These ones also move a bit, but they do move 360. Put on our left one and then our right. And as you can see, these ones also move up and down and the wheels move as well. So as you can see, we have our stand and then our nut and bolt. I'll try to put it on together, but I tried putting on by hand to see if it will work. I'm not sure why the bolt is not fitting inside the stand where it's supposed to connect. I'll try to get a different stand to place it on to display it, but I'm not too sure why this one isn't fitting on here. So here we have our beautiful PIA 777-300ER in InFlight 200. I managed to put the aircraft on the JC Wing stand and it surprisingly fit perfectly. So definitely very beautiful, very shiny aircraft. InFlight does have their glossy look, besides from JC Wings and other 200 scale models. So definitely looks very beautiful. Very shiny and very detailed aircraft. So here in the front of the aircraft, we have our detailed cockpit windows with our PIA logo in Urdu. I have realized that the logo is a bit bold. If it was a bit thinner, then it would have looked like more of the actual aircraft livery. but either way it looks fine. We have our PIA logo in dark green and then Pakistan International in gold. We have our main doors and then our windows, our front nose gear with the registration India Delta, which is full registration Alpha Papa Bravo India Delta, detailed nose gear, and then our different ports over here, our double stripe, dark green on the top, gold at the bottom, and then our obviously white body at the front, and then our beige color moving into the underbody, into the back of the aircraft. So we'll test out our engine fan blades. And definitely the detail on them is very quite accurate, and it does work. Beautiful. So even on the engine we have our PIA logo and then the beige color. Obviously the logo is a bit quite small. I'm not too sure as to why that is, but either way detail is very accurate. We have our landing lights. I would also say that the detail on these is also pretty accurate. As you guys can see the shine. This also is a gem embedded inside. Same with the beacon light as well, so it definitely looks cool on that. So as we move to the back of the aircraft, we have our Boeing 777-300ER logo, very small at the bottom. We have our registration Alpha Papa Bravo India Delta, our Pakistan name in Urdu, and then our very glossy. I kind of realized that it's not straight gold. It's a bit of a glossy mixed type of gold. But the dark green is solid, and then obviously our white body on top, and then our beige color on the bottom, and then we have our detailed tail, very much shiny and very beautiful. Our exhaust design is actually pretty accurate as well. Some of the INFLIGHT200 and other 200 scale models don't have it as accurate. They'll only have it cut out till right about here, and then they'll just have a paint job to witness the to show the strobe light. But this one is very detailed. And then we have our exhaust here. This one is actually embedded as well inside, just a bit inside. The other aircraft have it just as a paint job. This one is actually fairly detailed. So as we look to the right side, we have our detailed antennas. This one is actually a bit of a bump. This isn't just a straight paint job. Same over here. These ones are actually embedded in, and it has a bump on top. So this one is accurate. Same with our beacon light, also embedded gem. We have our same designs, our cargo doors, and then our passenger doors, and then our windows as well, and then obviously our detailed wing as well. And as we look to the front right of the aircraft, we have our antenna, our beacon light over here, our doors, cargo doors here, passenger windows, passenger doors, the PIA logo, and then our registration on the nose gear, detailed gear, and pretty much the same details as the other side of the aircraft. All very detailed or very accurate, so very nice. Alright, so if we look underneath the aircraft, we have our detail as well. Nose gear, our beautiful double stripe, dark green, and our glossy gold, and then our Pakistan name underneath the body, our gears, our engine design. We have our registration as well underneath the wing, same on the top of the wing, and then our antennas, our tail strike stand as well, APU, everything very detailed. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick review of our beautiful PIA 777-300ER by INFLIGHT200. I do have the same model in 1 to 400 as well as 1 to 500. So let me know if you guys want to see a review on those models as well. And we'll put all three of them side by side to give you guys a very up close look at the different sizes and details of each maker. One is made by Hogan, the 1 to 500. Our 1 to 400 is made by Phoenix, and then our INFLIGHT 200 here. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and remember, daily videos come every day, so make sure to stay tuned, put the notifications on so you never miss out on another review. Once again, thank you guys and take care, and we'll see you soon.